Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2022 Toyota Tacoma maintenance light reset. Keep in mind this car has two types of reset, and I'm going to show you both. The first reset, we will use this button right here, and we're gonna reset it on trip A. And if you're not at the trip A, go ahead and press this button and go find trip A. Now once you get to trip A, go ahead and turn off your car. Now at the same time, press and hold this button, press and hold it down, and turn on your car without starting. Give it about a few seconds. You should see the blinkers running right here, just like that. Now I'm gonna let it go, and if you want to reset it, go ahead and finish it, but I let it go because I need to reset it on this second type of reset. Now for the second type of reset, you're going to use up, down, left, right, the dotted button for enter and back, and we're also going to use that screen right there. Go ahead and press back. Okay, now you're going to use your right or your left and go find setting. Now once you get to setting, go ahead and scroll down to setting and enter on setting. Now scroll down to maintenance reset, enter on it, scroll up to yes, enter on yes, and that's how we do it. Guys, make sure to click that like. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.